Anong topic ka today? What you told me about you remember sa akong Nutella prank?
Yes. You pranked me. I was supposed gonna be a good girl.
I'm first. I thought it was poop.
That was your worst day ever.
I thought it was poop. And
Na-remember naman kasi.
And I vomit.
We're eating
That
Nutella.
was 2023.
Last year's I prank you with Nutella prank. Pero wala to nagkuha video kay syempre it was fast only. They thought the Nutella is oops.
Yes.
And then what happened to do both of you? What happened? Nagano ka mga dua?
We
Then-
vomit.
Ah, you vomit? Banana and Nutella are good.
And apple.
Is seasoning
And
the
bread.
And bread
poop.
also.
And then said the poop.
It's so gross.
It's too much sweet, guys.
Look in Alexis ZD and subscribe.
Hindi ba English blay long gulam bla?
Kita na.
Amang English may bayad piso, okay? Islam ambal.
Ame. Ame.
Yes.
Pili ka to kami may Alexis ZD ka subscribe sa akong channel.
Okay, subscribe to the channel niya.
Do you want the play button or not?
Me, I want. How about you?
Mamilit lapit na ako may diamond.
Don't subscribe.
Tayo mo, pila nang imo nga subscriber, how?
64!
64 subscriber. Lapit na daw siya mag-diamond. Tama na na. Sleep na ta.
Okay, first look at the
What's that? Finish na na. Ay, mas-sleep na ta.
eat it. Eat my
Eat my poops. It's not poops. It's Nutella.
poop.
Thank you sa nagpadala. Fresh from UAE.
Please subscribe to Alexis ZD.
Amo na imo nga nga YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Anong makita dito?
Wala magkagalit video.
Ha? Wala siya video. Anong gina-video mo dito para mag-subscribe kami?
Don't subscribe.
Nami, damo
Yes.
akong views.
Pila yung views? Pila gani mo subscriber?
64.
Wow! Damo kayo ba?
Don't make me because I'm gonna chop the mermaid.
You're playing clay. Play-doh? Matangin ba yung ko? Put something on the
Mami,
on the banana.
Mami,
Yes.
amo na ang iya, bala may sulundo, no? Amo may sulundo sa clay,
Enough na nga. Thank you.
may dire kagaya di sa likod, oh.
So yucky, guys.
Well,
Sakit pero worth it.
yeah. Ang ano.
Please subscribe to Alexis ZD.
Good night na, guys. Good night.
English ka.
Next morning at night,
Good night.
you're gonna subscribe to my channel at 9 p.m.
Bye na. Good night, guys.
Night. Pang